Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video you will learn how to share your computer in Windows 7. I will guide you through all the video just to not skip the steps. Let's start the video. The first step is you should check your date and time. Your date and time should match. And the second thing is your computer should be in the same network. Now move your mouse to the Wi-Fi icon and right click and click on Open Network and Setting Center. This is the network screen. The thing you should remember is you should always connect your network in the public network. As you can see, there are three networks. There are home networks, work and public network. But I will make you very simple. Click on the public network. This is a basic and the best settings for sharing. Let's get back to the network screen. Moving on, move your mouse to the Change Advanced settings. Copy all the same settings in your computer. You have to turn on network discovery and scroll down. And this is for the printer setting. If you have the printer, you put it on. If you don't have, just turn off. Here, leave as it is. The most important thing you should know is always turn off the password protected setting. I will repeat it again. This is a basic tutorial for sharing. Turn off the protected password setting. It won't be complicated for you. It is a very simple and strong and easiest method. Press on Save Changes and close. Before going any further, I request you guys, please do like and subscribe my channel for more videos update. Now the second step. Go to My Computer, click on Properties and search your computer name, and your computer should be in the same workgroup. If your workgroup name is not matching, you can change your workgroup name from the change settings, and also you can change your computer name. Most of the time workgroups remains default as you can see in the screen, so leave as it is. Settings are completed. Now let's go to the folder for sharing. Go to the folder that you want to share, right click and go to the properties. You will see a dialog box. Go to the security. Here you have to create a new user. For that, go to the edit and click on add and type your username as everyone. Click on check names and press OK. Your everyone user is created. Now give the full control to modify, read and write for this folder. Apply and OK. Go to the setting option. Click on advanced setting. Again click share this folder and go to the permission and give the full access to control and apply and OK. Now your folder is shared in the particular network and you can access your folder from the different computers. This is how you can share your folder in Windows 7, and if you want to learn in Windows 10, click on the I button that is displayed on the screen right now. Now we will learn how to share the drive. Go to the My Computer. For example, I want to share the E drive to the network. Right-click the E drive and go to the Properties. A same process is applied. You have to go to the Settings, create a user, go to Edit and Add. Type everyone, check names and press OK. Everyone user is created. Now give the full control to access in the network so that everyone can access your drive in the network. Wait for a second till it is done. Press OK. You have to go to the setting option. Click on the setting option. Go to the advanced setting, same as it is. Click on share the folder. Go to the permission and click the full control. Give the full access and click apply and OK. And apply again and press OK. Now your computer is shared in the network. Everyone can access your drive from the different computers in the same network. As you can see, there is a sharing sign on the drive. For the confirmation, let's check on the network whether your drive and your folder is shared or not. Your computer is shown on the network, and this is the folder and the drive that is shared, and your computer and folder can be accessed from different computers in the network. If you have any queries regarding Windows error, Windows problem, just comment down me below. Also message me on Instagram. For softwares, follow me on Telegram. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys, and if you really like my video, do subscribe my channel. And if you have any queries regarding about Windows problems, errors, just follow me on Instagram and message me. Thank you once again. We will meet again in the next video.